Hi guys, papasok na kami ngayon sa entrance ng Sheikh Zayed Festival. Andito ang mga kasama namin sa school.
Ticket.
Sino nagdala ng ticket?
Dito daw tayo, ma'am.
Saan?
Daw yan.
Oh, men's lang dito.
You have the ticket?
Nuned? Uy, ay. Ganda sir. Totoo ba yung kabayo sir?
Oh, malaki. Pagpasok sa kabila, may nakalagay bang Sheikh Zayed? Meron. Hindi ko napansin. Yun na main entrance. Hindi maganda magdala magdami.
True. Dapat ganito lang.
Kami sa Global Village.
Welcome to Sheikh Zayed Festival.
Sa Global Village, baby, 1 hour na. Uwi na kami. Nakarating kami sa bahay. Sana kayo?
Hello. You said something about the place.
This place is so good. We'll come back here next year.
What else?
What else? The food is great.
The food is great?
Amazing
We didn't
food.
even taste the food.
Amazing food.
Amazing food.
Amazing food.
Yeah.
Bye!
Nandito kami guys sa Sheikh Zayed Festival 2022 Abu Dhabi. Lapit tayo sa fountain. So guys, lalapit ako sa fountain. So dito sa may fountain. Napag-change ang kulay dito. Talagang unique siya. It's very beautiful and unique. And I really like it. See? It's very unique. dito nilang po makikita sa Al-Watba Abu Dhabi festival kasi mura lang 5 dirhams lang ang entrance dito at sa loob makikita mo madaming bibilihin kira lang ang wala dito at madaming tindang mga iba't ibang pagkain. So it's a very nice place to roam around during this holiday. Ito yung ang daming tao. Kaya nagmamasa ko dito. Alright po now. Bye! So this is our bus that we're gonna ride on later. It's from here to Abu Dhabi City.
Bayad ha. Libre nga eh. Dali na Sir Arnel.